Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed into CAD and on the page you want to edit. First, select the element that will hold the link, a button, text span, or link element. Once selected, open its settings and choose the link action. This is the first actionable step. Make sure you decide now whether the target is an external URL, an internal anchor, or a downloadable file so you won't have to redo styling later. Next, configure the link itself. Paste a full URL for external targets, or type a hash plus the anchor ID for internal jumps. Upload a file if you want visitors to download. Then decide whether to open in a new tab and add attributes like Nupener if necessary. While you're here, fine-tune appearance, size, padding, alignment, and hover style. These visual choices matter because they influence click rate and accessibility, so test contrast and touch targets before leaving the editor. Once configured, preview the page and click the link on both desktop and mobile to ensure it behaves as expected, then publish the site. If you encounter problems, diagnose quickly. For anchor issues, make sure the target element's ID matches exactly and that it isn't inside a collapsed or display none container. If an external link won't open, confirm the URL includes the correct protocol like HTTPS, and check browser pop-up or extension blocks before republishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.